Today, we will introduce the USB boot scan feature of VaccineUSB and explain its characteristics and usage. VaccineUSB boot scan is a malware detection and removal mode that operates independently from your device's OS. It can handle threats such as malware deeply embedded in the OS or malware that activates during OS startup. It can also be used on devices with end-of-support operating systems. Boot directly from USB memory to scan disks without going through the device's OS. Using Trellix's engine and the latest definition files, it powerfully detects and removes malware. Scan status and results can be confirmed via LED, and detailed logs are also saved. Operating requirements for using boot scan. It supports not only Windows but also Linux OS. However, please note that there are restrictions such as inability to scan when drives are encrypted with BitLocker or when Windows Fast Startup is enabled. This chapter explains the VaccineUSB setup method required before using boot scan. Let's look at how to use boot scan in 3 steps. First is the pre-setup. We'll update definition files, configure scan settings, and switch to boot scan mode. First, start VaccineUSB on a PC connected to the internet and update the definition files to the latest version from the main screen. These definition files will also be used in boot scan. Next, configure the boot scan operation settings. From the main screen, select Tool, then Settings, and in the Boot Scan tab, choose either Scan Only or Scan plus Deletion. The default setting is Scan Only. After the settings are done, switch the VaccineUSB to boot scan mode. Download the boot scan updater from the official website and use it for the VaccineUSB. This completes the pre-setup. This chapter explains how to perform boot scan. Once pre-setup is complete, it's time to execute boot scan. First, connect the VaccineUSB in boot scan mode to the device you want to scan, then power on or restart. During startup, press the designated key to display the BIOS or UEFI menu and set the VaccineUSB CD-ROM drive as the first priority in the boot device order. BIOS and UEFI menu specifications differ by device. Please contact the device manufacturer for details. Save the settings and restart. VaccineUSB boot scan will start and automatically begin scanning. The screen displays scan mode, number of scanned files, number of detected malware, etc. When scanning is complete, results are displayed. Safety indicates no malware was detected or all was successfully removed. Warning indicates malware was detected or could not be removed. You can also check via LED. When malware is detected, detailed information such as file path, virus name, and scan results is displayed. Once scanning is complete, shut down the device, then remove the VaccineUSB. This chapter explains how to return VaccineUSB to normal mode after boot scan execution and how to check boot scan logs. After boot scan is finished, return to normal VaccineUSB mode and check the scan logs. To return VaccineUSB to normal mode, Download the VaccineUSB3 updater from the official site and use it to VaccineUSB. Once returned to normal mode, connect to PC and start VaccineUSB. Select Tool, then Log from the main screen to view logs. Log files record scan date, time, scan results, detailed information about detected malware, etc. Please review them. Boot scan mode is specialized for scanning, so definition file updates and detailed settings must be performed in normal mode. Please also refer to this comparison table. Utilize VaccineUSB boot scan for a safer PC environment. Thank you for watching.